Welcome back, YouTube viewers. I know it's been a long time, but I do have another life besides this tape machine here. I thought I'd do something a little different today, being that I haven't talked to anybody or saw anybody in a long time. So I'd like to give you a little idea of where we're at, take you a little bit around my sort of shop here of stuff, and you could see how things are going, and kind of get an idea how much involved this project actually is. So, without further ado, let's take a look at the shop. Okay, so this, obviously, this is the tape deck as we see it, in the condition it's in right now. All right, and you can see I'm working on the second card drawer here. I've done something a little bit different than I did on the first one. Okay, right here, I've removed the cage without removing this panel. Get this out of the way here. This panel here, those screws that I was having a hard time are back here behind this panel. So I've tried to take the two cages out without removing that panel and leaving that panel intact. This way I actually have some, I don't have to deal with those screws. So those are the cages out, still got to be cleaned out. The rail's got to be cleaned, oiled yet. You could see here that the connectors, those are the ones I tried the new thing on by labeling them. And if we look back here, is the basis cards, which have already been recapped at this point. So these looms and all this stuff need to go back into this drawer here once I finish up this drawer at this point. Okay, if we come over to the other side of this thing here, you'll see the rest of the metal work that goes into that card drawer, and that there is the card cage for the Dolby cards that is still yet to be cleaned and recapped for that. This above here is where the looms ride inside it. That's just laying there. The plastic, that's all the insulation for that. This is all to do with that card cage right there. And if we come over here, you'll see, well, one thing I wanted to show you right here is you see this front panel that's missing right here. Okay, this is actually done. But the reason that's not in is the front panel has a dent in it. And the front panel is back over in here. And it's just got a small dent down near the bottom there that I still have to pound out. And once I get that dent out of there, I'll put that back together. But you can see next to that panel is the back panel with the numbering. Next to that here, power supply sitting right there. Okay. And over to the side of this here, you're going to see there was all the XLR connectors, the I/O panels, another back panel there. And if we go way up into this box right here, these are all the cards. These are all done, cleaned and everything. New batteries, everything like that. Those are all the actual transport control cards. They go in the front card cage. All right. And down here now, in this box right here, is all the audio cards for the second drawer. Now, none of these are cleaned. If I zoom in a little bit there, you can see how dirty they still are. These are yet to be cleaned. And if we look next to this here, these are all the Dolby cards that have yet to be taken apart and cleaned. This is really for both card drawers. And finally, in the last box, which is covered up, is all the cleaned cards. One Dolby card and all the other cards for the first drawer. Those are all done. So we have one box of done cards, one thing of Dolby cards yet to do, and an entire box of other cards not even touched yet. And we can come back over here, take a look around the back of the machine, and you can see that it's in various disarray yet too, with the panels all hanging out as I'm working on this bottom section right here. So that is yet to get put back together at that point. However, the meter bridge is done totally. In fact, I think this will even swing out, and this is all done. Have you seen in previous videos? The meter bridge itself is done. And that's where we stand right now with this. Well, as you can see by that, there's quite a bit more to go yet. I have, like I said, I have done 1/3 of the cards. Not quite 1/3 if you consider that I haven't really done the Dolby cards yet. They take a lot more time because I have to unscrew them and take them apart totally to be able to clean inside there. But as you can see, all the other panels, I really want to get this back together at some point because it is taking up quite a bit of room scattered all around here. But the other beauty is, like I've said in the past, I don't have a customer for this. So really, I don't have the pressure of that on me like I would normally have in if I was working on this 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week sort of thing as a regular work thing. I do this when I really want to do it. So in any case, that's where I'm at. I hope to see you back here again with more information as I've gone along. And that's it. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. It really helps a lot. Hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Click the bell for notifications, and I'll let you know when the next one comes out. And until then, I hope you all are having a happy new year, and we'll see you in this year with more videos like this.